Unleashing cleanliness, discover the Iris Ohyama IAW-T504 washing machine. The Iris Ohyama IAW-T504 is a compact and versatile washing machine designed specifically for single-person households or those with limited space. With its unique features aimed at maximizing efficiency and convenience, this washing machine offers a promising solution for those looking to simplify their laundry routine. One of the standout features of this washing machine is its compact design, with a width of just 54 centimeters. This makes it ideal for small apartments or limited laundry spaces. Despite its small size, the machine has a generous capacity of 5 kilograms, allowing users to wash a decent amount of laundry in one go. The foldable lid is a thoughtful addition, as it not only saves space but also allows for easy loading and unloading of laundry. The washing machine comes with a room drying time reduction mode, which is designed to reduce the drying time of clothes when hung indoors. This feature can be particularly useful during rainy or humid weather when outdoor drying is not feasible. Additionally, the machine boasts a feature which increases the spin speed and effectively reduces moisture in the laundry by 30%. This can significantly reduce the drying time and energy consumption required to dry the clothes. The IAW-T504 is equipped with a top storage space, allowing users to make efficient use of the machine's surface area. This is a practical feature for those with limited storage space in their laundry area. The control panel is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it simple for users to select the desired washing and drying settings. The machine also has a delayed start function, allowing users to set the machine to start at a later time, which can be convenient for those with busy schedules. In conclusion, the Iris Ohyama IAW-T504 is a well-designed and efficient washing machine that is particularly suitable for single-person households or those with limited space. Its compact size, efficient drying features, and convenient storage space make it a practical choice for simplifying the laundry routine. However, the limited capacity and drying options, as well as the higher price point, are factors that potential buyers may want to consider before making a purchase. Overall, it is a reliable and user-friendly appliance that offers value for money for those in need of a compact and efficient washing solution.